Hi everybody, so Jens Voigt here. The 5th year in a row I will be coming back to the New Forest in southern England for our yearly Shut Up Blacks charity ride. We do that for my friend Stuart Grace and his daughter Amy, and to raise money and awareness for the Epilepsy Society in the UK. So 5th year in a row, 2nd of September, I will be there. We hope we get about 100 people together to ride. I think the last year we raised about 15,000 British pounds, so we hope we can match that again. We always have a great time, hang out together, ride our bikes together, and we hope for sunny weather this time. Last year it was pretty cold and rainy, I must say. So 2nd of September, New Forest, South England. Please join us in our battle to raise some money and awareness for the Epilepsy Society in the UK.